that is. Pretty. Oh, so deep. So sick. Good first run.
Yeah,
clean.
First one of the day.
Covered in,
sweet, eh?
covered in it.
Morning, sir.
What's going on? Nice bindings, mate.
I think this is smorgasbord.
Oh, did they?
Paddleboard today.
Yeah, you know it. Kinda need it.
Yeah.
Kinda need it.
Where we had it.
You wanna hit that same run as before?
Yeah.
Oh, this, you know, have you met Ash before?
I'm not sure.
No, you haven't.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Hit it first if you want, bro, and we'll see if she goes.
Yeah, I don't like those shooting cracks there.
No, that's a... Yeah, you ain't wrong. Look at her.
Oh yeah.
You fucking called it. Yeah, this is way. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh yeah. Reckon we hit this fresh and we do a longer line next run.
Yeah, alright. Oh, Gabe's dropping in there. Yoo-hoo. Oh, it is. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Go for the untouched.
Go through the gap. Yeah, straight. Fucking send it in there.
Yo! Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah! Yo! Yeah, buddy! Yoo-hoo! Oh, get this shit! Yeah, a little traverse. Hey! Bra, bra, bra. Yeah, I did.
I turned the the wrong channel.
Sick. Oh, I'm in your way. Sorry, bro. Yeah, that's what I do. I send it pretty hard, yeah. Yo. Oh. Yoo! Whoopa! Yo! Chunks! Yoo! Shit. I strapped in like that.
Bro.
Bruh. I got some wet socks, let me tell you. Oh, dickhead. Fucking beautiful.
We can also go out past the bounds and drop back to Nori that side,
Oh yeah?
but we won't be able to hit that track that can take us from the back.
That
So
same tree run we hit before.
yeah, that'll be kind of like the walk.
I mean, I don't know how you guys are feeling. I'd be keen to go up, do the Abbey Barrier run, do another loop round, and then go to Norrie's, like a run to Norrie's after.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
This Abbey Barrier run's sick.
Yeah, we can actually.
That one that's down there.
Yeah, down there. To go to Norrie's, you go down this way. Well, you can't. Well, you said there's also another way.
There's another way, but
Yeah.
if lift 9's closed, then
Yeah.
it's a bit of a walk back to Nori.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but
Yeah, I'm feeling like leaving a little bit in the tank when we were tapping out.
Ah, yeah.
yeah, so,
Instead of fighting through the channel.
Yeah, yeah.
fair enough. Do we want to hit that Abbey Barrier one then, and then make our way back to Nori?
Yeah.
When you get back from the Abbey Barrier.
No, we'll just have to do this one, then do the Abbey Barrier one, and
it's
then
back up
lines
that
back
double.
up and down. And
Back up the
home.
double, hey.
Yeah, it might be. Unless you just go down here now.
Yeah, I think we might just head down.
That's all good.
Sick riding with you.
Yo,
Thanks for showing us the spots.
there's a mint run when you go down there.
Yeah,
Yeah. Or you mean
I sort of know the way, except it's like the snow will be better the whole way down,
yeah,
but the only thing is it's like
bit of a trudge out.
a bit of a trudge back to Nori to the south.
Yoo-hoo.
Yeah, just kind of stay on the ridge so you can kind of drop either way.
Yeah, cool.
Fucking nice snow though.
Wow, it looks mint. Yo! Wow! What the fuck, man? What the fuck?
Snap, G, that is crazy.
Dude. Oh, creamy. Get it, G?
Just a fucking dream line.
Yahoo!
So sick, bro.
Oh. Wow,
This is
bro.
fucking crazy.
This is crazy.
And I forgot where to drop.
That's the problem, hey?
We hit through the trees, but there's kind of a gully, so
Yeah.
stay up pretty high over this side.
To the right, you reckon?
Yeah, to the right.
Cool.
Dropping.
Yeah, go for it, G. Wow. Yo! Yo! Woohoo! Yo! What the fuck? You! Ah. You! This is fucked.
This is probably one of the best runs I've had the whole season.
Yeah, bro, say. Yeah.
Would have been better to stay high.
Yeah. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Yo! Yo! What the fuck, man?
Very careful, baby. Fuck.
Wow.
It's worth the walk out that we're gonna have to do.
Bro, fuck it, it's worth it. The double unclip. She's out.